Good morning, class 4th, and welcome you all in social studies class. How are you doing? Well, you must be great and spending quality time with your family during this quarantine. So enjoy this time by exploring and discovering many new things because you won't get this time again. So utilize it as much as you can in a wisely manner. So class, in the previous audio, I discussed about the northern mountains. And today we shall discuss about the northern plains, the third physical division of our country. Right? So, what are northern plains? A large part of northern India makes up the northern plains. This region is plain, flat, and lies from Punjab in the west to Assam in the east. The soil of the northern plains are rich and very fertile as many rivers flow across these plains. The northern plains are divided into three basins. Do you remember? The northern mountains are also divided into three parallel ranges. Likewise, the northern plains are also divided into three basins. So, what is a basin? A river basin is an area of land drained by a river and all of its tributaries. So, the three river basins of northern plains are the Satluj River Basin, the Ganga River Basin, and the Brahmaputra Basin. So, the Satluj Basin lies in the western part of northern plains, matlab the Punjab. So, Chandigarh is the capital city and also a very planned city. Agriculture is the main occupation of this region. People grow major crops like wheat, sugarcane, rice, pulses, and oil seeds. Most of the people are farmers. Cattle rearing is also practiced here. People speak Haryanvi, Punjabi, and Hindi language. Lohri and Basant Panchami are some of their main festivals. The important towns located here are Ambala, Ludhiana, Karnal, etc. Now the Ganga Basin. The Ganga plain extends between Delhi and West Bengal. New Delhi and states of UP, West Bengal, Bihar and Jharkhand fall in this region. Earlier, Jharkhand was a part of the Bihar. Major crops grown here are wheat, rice and pulses. The Yamuna is the main tributary of Ganga. The river deposits that form triangular islands of silt at the mouth of the river is known as delta. And Sundarban Delta is the world's largest delta. The Ganga Basin is also known as the food bowl or the wheat bowl of India because this region or the states that fall in this region produces plenty of food production as the soil is very fertile here. And the last one is the Brahmaputra Basin. It is a narrow basin and receives heavy rainfall from monsoon winds. The states of Assam and Arunachal Pradesh come under this region. The Brahmaputra River originates in Tibet. Jute and rice are grown here. Assam is the largest producer of tea. Bihu is the harvesting festival of Assam and it is marked by dance and music. Arunachal Pradesh is known for its bamboo and handicrafts. That's all about the northern plains. So class, if you want to know more about northern plains, you can take help of the internet. This will help you to gather more information related to our northern plains. So, this class is over now. Do your worksheet carefully. Thank you and have a wonderful day.